Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 6. I'm Rina.
I'm Moizatul Hasana. I'm Dasyana Intan Satrisna.
And we are going to explain about reading for understanding by Catherine Snow.
Reading comprehension is important. Reading comprehension is very important because students need to understand what they read. If students only read words without understanding the meaning, learning will become difficult. Good comparison helps students get information and learn new knowledge. Students need to understand text clearly. Students read many kinds of text in schools such as books, articles, and assignments. They need to understand the main idea, important information, and meaning of the text. Without good comparison, students may have difficulty answering questions or completing tasks. Teachers help students improve reading skills. Teachers have an important role in helping students become better readers. They can teach vocabulary, reading strategies, and comparison skills. Good teachers guide students to think actively while reading. Research is needed to improve learning. Researchers study the reading problems to find better teaching methods. Research can help schools understand what student needs. With better research, teachers can use more active strategies in the classroom. The study was made by RAND Reading Study Group. The study was developed by a research team called RAND Reading Study Group or RRSG. The group focused on improving reading comprehension in education. Their goal was to help students become better readers. Experts and teachers gave opinions. Many experts, researchers, and teachers participate in the study. They share ideas, experience, and suggestions about reading interaction. This helped make the research more complete and useful. The report was discussed and revised. The first draft of the report was published publicly. After that, many people discussed the report and gave feedback. The researchers then revised the report to improve it. The goal is improving reading comprehension. The main purpose of the study is improving students' comprehension skills. The report also helps teachers find better teaching strategies. Better instruction can improve student learning outcomes.
Name is Dasyana Intan Satrisna. Okay, next for the slide 3, research challenges. Many students cannot understand difficult text. Some students can read words correctly, but they still do not understand difficult text. This problem often happens in higher grades when texts become more complex. As a result, students may struggle in class. Okay, next is reading instruction is still limited. In many schools, comprehension instruction is not taught effectively. Sometimes, students are only asked to read without learning comprehension strategies. This makes understanding text more difficult. And next is teachers need better teaching strategies. Some teachers do not receive enough training in comprehension instruction. Teachers need effective methods to help students understand the text. Good strategies can improve students' reading skill. And last is school needs better reading programs. School needs stronger reading programs to support students. Good programs can help students practice reading regularly. Better programs are also helps teachers to make effective. Okay, next is this issue motivating the study. The first point is reading skills are important for education. Reading skills are important because students use reading in almost every subject. Student needs comprehension skill to understand lesson and assignment. Without good reading skills, learning becomes more. So next is The second point is student need literacy skills for the future. Literacy skills are necessary for work, communication, and daily life. In modern society, many jobs require strong reading abilities. Therefore, students must develop good literacy skills from an early age. So the third is reading scores are still low. Research shows that many students still have low reading achievement. Some students do not improve their comprehension skills over time. This is one reason why researchers focus on reading instruction. Okay, the last is many students struggle in higher grades. Texts in higher grades become longer and more difficult. Many students who read well comprehension problems. Because of this, student needs continuous reading support.
Okay guys, I'm Maizatul Hasanah. Today I'm going to talk about improving comprehension. The first is good vocabulary helps comprehension. Vocabulary is important because students need to know the meaning of words. Students with good vocabulary usually understand text more easily. Learning new words can improve reading comprehension. And the second is reading practice improves understanding. Students who practice reading regularly often become better readers. Reading practice helps students understand different kinds of text. It also improves fluency and confidence. And the third is good instruction supports students. Teachers should use effective teaching methods during reading lessons. Students need guidance and support when reading difficult texts. Good instruction can help students become active readers. And the last is teachers play an important role. Teachers motivate students and help them develop reading skills. They teach comprehension strategies and encourage students to think critically. Teachers are very important in students' reading development. And the next is conclusion. The first is reading comprehension is very important. Reading comprehension helps students succeed in school and daily life. Students need comprehension skill to understand information clearly. Good comprehension also supports lifelong learning. And the third is students need effective reading instruction. Students need proper teaching to improve their reading skill. Effective instruction helps students understand text more easily. It also increases students' confidence in reading. And the third is teachers and schools must support learning. Teachers and schools should work together to help students succeed. Schools need good reading programs and learning materials. Support from teachers is very important for student progress. And the last is better